Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these canvas wall art things. So I started out by cutting, using my Cricut and cutting out a template or a stencil. I'm horrible at drawing and painting, so I decided to use a stencil. You can download, I have the link for it below, you can download that. So next up, I need to transfer them to the canvases. So I'm using just some clear contact paper that I actually got at the dollar store. I added that to the top. I don't know why I didn't get coverage of that, but I didn't. Sorry about that. So it's an easy way to transfer the stencil to whatever you are working on, or the vinyl, excuse me. So right now I just mixed up some pink paint and I am just doing some painting. So I'm just dabbing it and doing some brush strokes to get some different texture. So I did pink, orange, I did a yellow, and a little bit of a greenish brown color. Next, I wanted to add an abstract face to the painting. So what I did is I poked holes in the canvas using that stencil that you just saw, and now I am using just some regular thread and a large needle, and I'm just back stitching the whole thing. This did take me a while, so I didn't record myself doing this the whole time because I just watched some Netflix while doing this. So as you can see, they're really simple to make, and you can just decorate a wall easily and really inexpensively by doing it yourself. I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you next week.